if we look at Venom, if we look at it at the most basic, it's a huge success. We know this as a fact now, considering if you take the Thursday night previews at 10 million and you combine it with Friday, which only equals to the Friday sum, they don't consider the early previews to be its own day because it is early previews, Venom has come out roaring with a 33 million Friday box office take, which sets it on a course to be a record-breaking opening weekend in October. And not just that, it shows us that the power of this character is certainly something that's there that people want. Now, obviously, 33 million for just one day, all things considered, is pretty huge, which kind of sets us on this course to look at the entire weekend. And the weekend now could range anywhere between the low end of 60 million to the high end of $90 million. Now, this would be insane considering it would topple down some of MCU's big hitters, and that's the one that people are really interested in seeing. Can this movie do it? Because if it does, you know, I think we could stop talking about character fatigue or superhero fatigue or anything. I think it's the power of the brand that's behind it. And Venom doing a 33 million Friday is certainly something that's, I think, stunning to most people, considering, you know, you look at the reviews, right? And you look at how some of them reflect usually box office. Like Justice League, for example. The reviews came out, they're like, ooh, 160 million, yeah, we better revise that down to 120. And then it comes out and it only does like 95, right? But it doesn't seem like Venom is impacted by reviews at all. So he's like, what, review-proof at this point? And this Friday opening is pretty impressive all within itself. And I think Sony's going to be celebrating rather, you know, lucratively once the weekend is over, considering how much of a box office take they're going to have. Now, when the numbers are finalized, I'll talk about that and what it means for the future of this character, and specifically Spider-Man. But for now, Venom, box office smash.